Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about a Sankranthi makeup video. It's going to be a festive makeup look. So let's get started with today's video. And I have few other makeup videos done too. If you want to check it out, I'll link down here somewhere so that you can check it out. And I would love to hear the comments from you guys. Do comment in the comment section below and share this video if you have find it useful. So this is my Sankranthi festive makeup look. I hope you like this look, and if you want to try this look, then keep watching this video, and I hope you like this video, and do subscribe to my channel as well. So let's get started.
Firstly, I have already prepped my skin with my skincare routine, and now I'm going to prime my face using this Lakme primer. I'm going to list down all the products in the description box so that if you want to know what am I using in this basic festive makeup, you can check it out. Now I'm going to apply the base makeup. I have used CC cream here because my skin has lots of breakouts and it literally feels so thirsty, and it just makes me feel dead because it's too chill here and my body and skin both are feeling so dry. So I've just used a minimal amount of products here to just make this look. And do not mind my acne spots. I would look after it soon. I'm using a buffer brush to apply this base CC cream because it makes me easier to blend well. And now I'm going to conceal it using this Maybelline concealer. I'm using the same buffer brush to apply this concealer too. Now I'm using a compact to my face using the same brush. This brush is so good. How can I tell you? Like, it's too good, guys. It has a soft bristles and I just cannot let it go. It also blends well. That's why I like it a lot. And I tend to oil soon, that's why I'm using a compact here all over my face. Yes. Next is I'm gonna apply a lip balm because I'm gonna use a matte lip shade here, so I have to use lip balm before applying a lip color so that it stays hydrated. Next I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using eyebrow pencil here. Firstly, I'm gonna outline it, and then I'm gonna fill it and smudge it. You'll see the difference. This is my way of doing eyebrows regularly. I just love it how it turns out to be, and it just feels a natural look. It just turns out a natural look, so I just love it. Smudging is the trick, guys. That's how you should make it. I hope you can see the difference after applying the eyebrows because it definitely defines the whole face. It also gonna make you look young, yes. Next is I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. For that I'm using this palette, and in this look I'm gonna make a dual eyeshadow. So first I've used some copper shade. Here I'm using my hand to apply this eyeshadow so that it takes a good amount of color. For this particular palette I did not find the brush to be useful, so I'm using my hand. I have first used the reddish copper shade on my eyelids and have blended it well above the crease line because I have a hooded eye, so I'm gonna do it above the crease line. And then I'm gonna apply the darkest brown color on my eyelids, that is below the crease line. I'm gonna blend it well. That's how I'm gonna make a dual shade look. I hope you like this eyeshadow look. Even I loved it making. Next I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. I'm going to make a winged eyeliner look here. Now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I'm going to next apply my mascara. I'm going to apply a peachy blush for this look. Next I'm going to use this highlighter. It's a golden glow highlighter. I just love it. It instantly brightens up my whole face. I'm applying this highlighter on my cheekbones and on my nose bridge area, also on my cupid bone, and a bit on my forehead area as well. And now I'm gonna apply my lipstick by using this lip crayon. So this is my festive look. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video.
Hope you liked this video, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye bye.